I am Sukumar Shah. Today I will take you through Lloyd Estates Nature Center, Troy. It's a beautiful park. We have a nature center here. Nature center means they display the all nature items here. They explain to children. A good museum. Here trail is very good. I had been here for a couple of times. We can witness deers and turkeys in this park. Park trail is simply beautiful, around 1.5 to 2 kilometers. It's a mix of open and woods. So let's go to the stage center, and certainly you will enjoy this visit. This this is the parking area of the stage center. This is assembly area. Beautiful park. It's open on 9 to 3, excluding holiday, but trail is open for all time. We are heading towards trade. This is beautiful trail. I said it's in woods. We can see flowers all along. Sugar maple loop. They conduct maple extraction program here. This is again owl preservation center. Good owls. We will see those owls also. This is beautiful trail. Beautiful trail. Long, high trees, lush green, well-maintained trail track. It's 10:30 or 11 o'clock now, but it's damn cool. Outside it's scorchy heat and very sharp sun, but here in woods it's a natural AC. Fantastic. This is a trail in woods. After wood trail, we will go to the bush trail. It's good, nice trail. Rogue River. It's small river. Very nice trail. This is on muddy land. And both sides you will see the bushes now. Lost in jungle. फूलों की शहर में घर अपना. Beautiful. We can see these white polons falling all around jungle. It's a beautiful sight. These polons are harmful to the people who have asthma. It troubles, but you can see this white layer is of all pollens. This is nature stage center. You can see different animals and birds. displayed. It's a good library. This is aquarium. Big bear. Different stones, crystals. Beautiful crystal.
You take care. But yes, there are, if you go into the
This is information center.
see when they have set up.
This is big elephant, the fossil of dinosaurs. This is children play area. You can see how beautifully tables are made. Owl. Small but beautiful area. Very elegantly decorated. At Stage Center we have a owl center. You can see one owl here. One type of owl is in cage. They preserve it. They teach people, children. They take it to schools. This is another type. These are the big owls.
असं कलरफुल आहे थोडंसं